Hi, my name is Mitch with Village Lighting and welcome to 2023. In this video, I'll talk about the updated and new items from Village Lighting. Let's start off with our greenery. Tip count is the number of branches that make up a wreath or garland. The more tips there is, the fuller it is. Our wreaths and garlands have 65% more tips on average than our leading competitors. For example, their 36-inch wreath has 300 tips, while ours has 500. That's a difference the customer's going to notice. There were a few things that we did want to update for 2023. Number one, all of our wreaths received a slightly new shape. Instead of the front being a little flat, it now has a more curved and 3D shape, kind of like a donut. Number two, we've taken our 36-inch wreath from two sections that have to be assembled and changed it to just one piece. So now there's no nuts, bolts, or assembly required. So this shortens installation time, and we've made sure that the shipping dimensions are not oversized. Number three, the 60 and 72-inch wreaths changed from 3 sections to 4 sections. This reduced shipping dimensions and therefore freight costs. It also allows wreath to be split into 2 sections. An example of this is when you've got an HOA gate at the beginning, and the gate opens from the sides and it meets in the middle. So this allows you to take half the wreath and put it on one side of the gate, and half the wreath and put it on the other side of the gate. So as this opens, it keeps its shape and you can have both sides lit. Very excited about that for 2023. Number 4, we've also added more lights to the 60 and 72-inch wreaths. The 60-inch went from 300 lights to 400, and the 72-inch went from 450 lights to 600. We do have some new greenery items for 2023. We've had many requests for our 36, 48, and 60-inch wreaths, but without lights. So again, these are available for 2023. That's the 36, 48, and 60-inch wreaths. Number 2 is the same concept, but with garland. So we have an unlit version of the Black Forest 9-foot garland. Number 3, we're doing something a little wild. Instead of green garland, we're doing a white, it's not a flocked, it's completely white, and we're doing the Smooth Twinkle Warm Clear Mini Lights. So we're going to move on to mini lights. So while product updates are usually good, the lack of change can sometimes be better. Village Lighting Super Mini LED strand is designed with a full wave rectifier and smoothing capacitor. In less nerdy terms, this technology ensures durability and smooth, flicker-free light output. We looked at switching to what our competitors use, which is a simple resistor, and using the light diodes themselves to convert from the AC to DC that they require. However, it didn't make sense to us. Cutting quality may reduce product cost, but would increase failure rates and expensive callbacks. Based on this data and our own testing, we decided to continue with full wave technology. Number 2 with minis is we are introducing a new color to the lineup. It is teal. This color matches our teal C7 and C9 bulbs that we already have. This paired with winter white is an amazing color combination, so I'm excited to see the jobs that come out this year. Number 3 with minis is I wanted to remind you of our Smooth Twinkle mini lights. These lights slowly fade and randomly fade in and out, creating a really fun effect. So if your customer is looking for something unique, different, and new, this is something that I would approach and talk to them about. Next on the dock-up is Lightstream. It has increased in popularity over the last 3 to 4 years. Technology never stands still though. Keeping that app up to date for the latest and greatest phones is definitely a full-time gig. In 2022, we had several reports of a communication error between the app and the controller. We're currently testing a patch to eliminate that error, and will be released soon. Moving on to clips, we've made a few changes. Number 1, the beloved universal clip received etching where the clip contacts the gutter and the shingle. This helps the clip stay more secure on the roof, whether it's on the shingle or the gutter. Number 2, one of the most exciting updates for 2023 is the introduction of the patent-pending Solo Clip. This clip is designed to replace the universal clip and in many cases the shingle clip. Let me show you how it works. We have both a C7 and a C9 version. The really cool thing about this is it allows you to assemble your socket and the bulb together. Oftentimes when a clip is put in between the socket and the bulb, that impedes the connection of those two and you run into issues. And so this doesn't necessarily have to be that way. So this, you connect both, and then you take the clip and snap the bulb assembly into the socket. Now from there, if you're installing it into a rain gutter, the assembly just rotates and snaps downwards, and then this whole clip assembly is assembled into the gutter. And then if you're going to go into a shingle, then the bulb is rotated upwards, snaps up, and then the bulb is rotated, and this whole thing is placed underneath the shingle. This is amazing because the bulb will always face forward, so you can stay consistent with different parts of the house. And this is the best looking way to position the bulb. 2, it allows you to inventory just one clip. And then 3, these can be installed on the socketed wire ever before getting on the roof. So this makes the time on the job site much quicker. And then obviously during installation time, the clip can rotate for the perfect fit. The final features of this clip are important during takedown. 1, the clip is designed to roll off a rain gutter when pulled. So in this position, when it's on a rain gutter, when you pull on the wire, this actually just rotates and comes off free and easy off of the gutter. Many times when lights are pulled off, they will become disconnected. You know, the light and socket will become disconnected from the clip. That is a huge pain because obviously you have to go and retrieve all the clips. So again, the Solo Clip was designed that this doesn't happen. Next, we're seeing on social media how contractors are paying hundreds of dollars to learn how to install holiday lighting. We built a free training website called installchristmaslights.com for that purpose. This free course takes between 3 to 4 hours. Once all the exams are passed, the user will receive a certificate of completion. For 2023, we're creating marketing icons that installers can use in their advertising to show the consumer of this certification. The next thing for 2023, occasionally a customer needs a large snowman, nutcracker, ornament, or some other larger than life decoration. These are pretty specialty items and not always needed. We've teamed up with a manufacturer to offer these items. So if you have a need, please reach out and let's discuss your project. We are working on a few other large projects for 2023. We'll keep you posted on the release dates. Very excited for the progression of those. Here at Village Lighting Company, we're extremely passionate about what we do and strive for the best products and services we can offer. We sincerely thank you for all your support. It means so much to us. Let's make 2023 amazing.